In this video, I'll show you how to stop getting text messages on your iPad. This is useful if your iPhone messages keep syncing to your iPad through text message forwarding. First, grab your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap on Messages. Inside Messages settings, look for Text Message Forwarding. You can also use the search bar in Settings to find it faster. Tap on Text Message Forwarding. Here, you'll see a list of Apple devices connected to your Apple ID, including your iPad. But I have not used any other device, so it does not show on my mobile. But you will find it if you are connected to any device. After that, you can follow the steps. Simply find the iPad that's receiving your text messages and turn the toggle off next to it. Once disabled, your iPad will stop receiving SMS and text messages from your iPhone. If you also want to stop iMessages from syncing, go back to Messages, tap Send and Receive, and remove your iPad-linked email addresses if needed. And that's it. Your iPad will no longer receive text messages from your iPhone. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iPad tutorials, and Apple device guides.